Everyone talks about the Fed, CPI, interest rates, silver going up, gold going up, or unemployment numbers when they're trying to predict a recession. But the ultimate recession indicator, not from Wall Street, but in Main Street, what if it all starts in nightclubs and sports bars? There's currently a stock out there. Check this out. RCI Hospitality Holdings, Rick stock, and some investors are calling this the ultimate recession indicator. So RCI Hospitality Holdings, they own strip clubs, nightclubs, sports bars, restaurants, and media and convention companies that serve in the adult industry. So why do people call this the ultimate recession indicator? Well, because this business is built entirely on discretionary spending. So when the economy is strong, Rick thrives. People spend money, they eat out, clubs are packed, people spend all day, they're drinking, they're going to the strip club, they're throwing money, and revenues rise with this thing. But when times are tough, those same customers are tightening their wallets. No one's paying for $25 drinks. No one's going clubbing. No one's buying tables. And entertainment spending is usually the first thing to go. Like a canary in a coal mine, if traffic and revenues at these clubs start dropping, it's often an early signal that consumer confidence is dropping. So let's check out what's happening right now. So we're going to call this the strip club index. So when this thing is dropping, we might be hitting a recession soon. So we have the max chart up. I guess we'll go back all the way to 2008. Let's see if at the peak of 2008, so January 11th, 2008, it would hit around $27 per share. Let's see if we could pull up the exact date. Okay, so September 15th, 2008 was when Lehman Brothers declared bankruptcy. Right here. It already started dropping, so it was already down 46%. So the recession was already happening pre-September, and then Lehman Brothers declared bankruptcy. And as you can see, this thing dropped all the way after 2008 into 2009 to $4, $3 per share, and people stopped spending money. Fast forward, the economy gets pumped, they print money. So when did everything close down for COVID? March 15th, 2020, states begin to implement shutdowns in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. That's when all the businesses started shutting down. So March 15th, right here, you could see the peak. The peak happened around February 21st, 2020. Little jump right here, and then it instantly drops 65%, down over 60%. And once again, they pumped the market, gave everyone stimulus check, gave everyone free money. The Federal Reserve printed a bunch of money. They started spending money, stimulating the economy, and this thing just shot up like crazy. Looks like it peaked at around December 23, 2022. $95. Look at that pump. Look at that pump. What a crazy pump. And now it is currently down from the all-time high. Down 60% again. 2008 looks like it was down around 80%. 2020 COVID looks like from the peak to the drop over 60%, and now we are currently down 60%. It looks like we are in another recession, guys, or about to be in a recession soon. People are out of money. They're going to have to do something to stimulate the economy. Restaurant industry is slowing down. So currently looking at this chart right now, we're on the monthly. So it looks like 37 to around right here, 37, 38. This looks like the support line right here. As you can see, multiple bounces up right here, bounces up. I think it just broke or it's about to break if this thing breaks. But if this breaks the support, recession guaranteed, guys, recession guaranteed. We're probably already in a recession. We're gonna make another video and do a fundamental analysis of this one, but I just wanted to talk about the ultimate recession indicator. RCI Hospitality Holdings. Forget about the complicated charts, endless Fed speeches. Sometimes the best recession indicator is whether people are still spending money on things that they don't need. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, are we in a recession or not? Thanks for watching this short one, and we will see you on the next one.